Hey everyone, Mike Clark here with Visionary Wealth Advisors, and now that the tax season's over, I thought it'd be a good idea to bring a CPA in to talk about the changes and just see how I think individuals can prepare for next year. So I have Brian Toennies with me. Brian's a CPA who has his main office in Sunset Hills. He's been in the industry for about 21 years on his own, has 14 employees, and really helps individuals and small businesses with tax planning and tax preparation. So thanks for coming, Brian. I appreciate it. Yeah. I'd like to switch, if you don't mind, to small business owners.
Sure.
So if there is maybe one mistake that you see, and I don't want to say mistake, but is there a trap that some small business owners can fall for with these new tax law changes?
I think some clients, when they heard of the lower tax rates for C corporations, most of our clients are not set up as C corporations. They're S corporations, they're small businesses. The income flows through to the shareholder. The corporation itself doesn't pay tax. But when they announced the new lower rate for corporations, it was for the C corporations, the larger corporations, publicly traded companies. They thought, well, maybe I ought to set my business up that way. Based on the numbers we ran for most of our clients, it really didn't make a lot of sense because you either, to get the money out of the company, if you're set up as a C corporation, you either have to take it out in the form of wages or you take it out in dividends, but then you've got a double tax. The corporation pays tax and the individual pays tax. And what the Congress did with the tax change to kind of make things a little easier for the small business or the S corporations and the partnerships, they have this 20% flow-through deduction. It's a Section 199A deduction, which basically allows the S corporations, the partnerships, the rental property to take a 20% deduction on their personal return for the profit that flows through from their business. So that kind of helped offset not having that lower tax rate.
Mm-hmm. And I know we talked earlier, Section 199A is a monster in and of itself. So I think what we're going to do at a later time is have one video strictly
Sure.
focused on that. I would say, for full disclosure, I have an S Corp, Clark Wealth Advisors, and for full disclosure, Mr. Brian Toennies is my CPA, and I couldn't be happier for that. One thing I wanted to say is that Brian and myself do not know you, the individual watching this. So anything that's said today should not be considered advice, either from Brian or myself. We don't know the ins and outs of your situation. So we hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.